In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to use the Wix Website Builder tool. To begin, you'll want to create an account and log in to wix.com. Then go ahead and click on Create New Site. Here you can search by the type of website you're creating. Here are a couple examples. Let's go ahead and type in business, and then you can click the next button. If you'd rather just go ahead and select and search through a library, you can go ahead and click Skip To. We're going to be creating our own website, so click Edit a Template. Now we have templates that are specific to the keyword that we typed in. Let's go ahead and explore some of these templates. Now that I found a template that I like, I can either take a view at it first to see if I truly like it and open a full demo, or I can go ahead and click Edit to start creating immediately. Now that the template is ready to roll, we can go ahead and start customizing our site. As you can see on the left-hand side, there are some different options. So we can add different unique components, adjust the menus and pages, manage our theme, update the background, add different apps, media, we can add blogs and bookings to our site. Everything is pretty intuitive. If you click on it, there's going to be some options to update it. So here we have our site logo. I'm going to change the vector art by clicking on that button there. Type in a keyword, and now I have the option to update it by selecting one of the built-in options on Wix. As simple as that. Go ahead and explore some of these options. As mentioned earlier, if you click on it, it's likely that there are going to be a ton of options for you to explore, including editing the object itself and adjusting any animations or other properties for that given object on the site. To access the different pages of your template, if you've chosen a multi-page template, you can simply go to this option here, click that drop down and select the page that you want to open. On this particular template, it's an e-commerce website, so there are different products and things that are able to be booked. So with those, it's the same process where you would simply click on it and then you're able to manage the products or services depending on the template you selected. Just like everything else in Wix, media and different multimedia assets can quickly be switched out. Let's go ahead and change this image here. So I'm going to select the image, and then as you can see, I can change the image, update the settings, add some design like a cool overlay, crop it, add some filters, animations, link it out, and more. So I'm going to click Change Image, and I'm going to type in a keyword, or I can also upload my own media. And I'm going to select that image and click Choose Image. I can add some different designs, some filters, and there you go. Now let's say I want to add something that's not built into the template. I can simply go over to that left-hand toolbar and click Media. And then I can upload media or use the different built-in free images and videos and add those in directly. Let's take a look at some of the different apps we can add into our websites by clicking the Add Apps button in the left side toolbar. Some of these apps are going to be paid, but there's definitely a lot of free ones there too. So let's go ahead and scroll through so you can see there's different store options if you're going to add some paid, examples on your site, an event booking tool, a blog, a lot of really cool apps that we can add into these existing templates. So once you've got your site pretty much how you want it, there are some things to consider such as social icons and things like that. Usually templates will have it built in, but you can of course edit them like you'd edit anything else. The other thing to consider is a contact form. So depending on what you're doing in your course, if this is just a quick assignment or if it's like a full project, you may want to actually add your email if it's going to be a functioning website, if someone were to complete the form and so forth. So here we have a simple Contact Us form. By clicking on it, we can adjust the form settings. And within those settings, we can choose email notifications, essentially where the emails are being sent to, and a lot of other options here. So be sure to check those out. Within Wix, you can view what your website will look like on a computer as well as a mobile device, and you can toggle back and forth by clicking between these two options up here. As you're working your course, going to want to save your project, and so you can do that by clicking the Save button. Even though it's auto-saving, sometimes you may want to manually save as well. You can preview your site by clicking the Preview button, and that'll essentially take away all the editing tools so that you can get a clean look at what your site looks like on mobile or desktop. Once you're happy with your site, you can go ahead and publish it, and that's how you're going to be able to get a link that you can share with others. And simply, you're going to click that Publish button, and you will take this link here and share it with your teachers, your classmates, and so forth. To update the URL of your site, you are going to go up here to the main menu, and then we're going to exit the editor. And from your account's Wix dashboard, we're going to go to Site Actions and then Rename Site. You can update the name of your site. If you're working with a team, you can also invite people to work on your site. Here on your dashboard, you simply would select the Invite People button and then type in their emails, and that will send them an invitation. When you type in their emails, it'll allow you to select their role. So essentially, are they another co-owner of the site? Do you just want them to be able to manage but not delete or transfer or do anything else? Are they designer role only, and so forth? So you can check all of that depending on what your classmates need to be doing on your site. So that's a quick overview on how to get started with the Wix.com website building tool. Be sure to check out our other videos as well as the other Wix videos available within the course. And good luck creating your websites online.